Alright, party people, so what you can see here is my handle is missing on my battery drawer. I have a new one here, you can see, ordered off of Amazon, which is beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and take off these nuts here and here and here, which hold the fascia on. And behind that is going to be the metal workable pieces that we have. I also have a problem with the cable piece that I'll show you in just a moment. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this front piece right here and show you the next step. All right, my ugly drawer is off. Here's what's behind it. So you can see these pieces get pushed in to release from the locks back here. I'm going to go ahead and drill this off because this piece is also broken. I just managed to get in there enough to cut it, to get a screwdriver and to turn it to open up the door. We're going to liberally spray all of this stuff down as well with lubricating oil, like a silicone lubricant. And then we're going to go ahead and put a new one of these on, which was about 60 bucks from a place out of Canada. I'll put the link in there. I just couldn't find anywhere else locally. So let's go ahead and get drilling on this thing. Okay, so you can see now that it is off. I've used my handy dandy drill to blast those rivets out. And this is what the backside looks like. And what we're going to do is we are going to use a 10mm bolt to take this off, pull all of this through, and we're going to run this out of here and slide it into the new one. So we're going to go ahead and start working on that, and we'll show you that process once I get everything all set up here. Okay, so you can see on the back here, I have taken off these from this and put them on here by just sliding the cleaned up link through there. Now this had a coating on it, and I just cut all of the coating off because it was so rusty it wouldn't come through the holes. So I think I'm going to probably figure out some sort of plastic thing on there or just lubricate them like crazy. But essentially what we're going to do next is use our handy dandy ratchet. We're going to go ahead and put this piece to line up with all of those holes and then reconnect it to these pieces so they can pull, and then we're going to lubricate everything up and put the door on and our fancy new handle.